Welcome to our guide on how to create a job search app powered with AI. In this video, we'll explore the key features you'll need to include to make your app a success. Job search platforms have transformed the way people find jobs and connect with employers. The job search app industry has experienced exponential growth, with billions of dollars in revenue in recent years. The future of the industry looks good, as if we check the projections, the industry revenue will be almost double by 2028. Watch this video as we unveil the outstanding features and advantages of our premium job search app powered with AI, which can compete with LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor and ZipRecruiter. User registration and profile creation allows the users to easily create accounts, build comprehensive profiles showcasing their skills and experience. Advanced job search and filtering options provides robust search functionality, allowing the users to search for jobs based on criteria such as location, industry, salary, job type. Company profiles and reviews offers detailed profiles of companies, including company information, employee reviews, and ratings to help users make informed decisions. Resume building and submission enables users to create and upload resumes directly from the app, making it convenient for job applications. Job alerts and notifications keeps users informed about new job opportunities, application status updates, and relevant industry news through push notifications. Through networking and messaging, facilitate networking among users, allowing them to connect with recruiters and industry professionals, and communicate through messaging. Application tracking and analytics provides tools for users to track their job applications, view application status, and gather insights into their job search progress. And there you have it. With these key components in mind, you're well equipped to embark on the journey of creating a successful job search website or app. The cost of developing a job portal app can vary depending on factors such as complexity, features, design, and development teams' hourly rates. On average, the development cost can range from tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's essential to outline your budget and prioritize features based on your goals. With our expert guidance and support, creating your own job search website or app has never been easier. At Brew Labs, we're more than just a software company, we're your trusted partner in technology innovation. Leveraging our advanced AI capabilities, data encryption, and blockchain architecture, we empower you to control your source code, ensuring security and innovation. Whether you're launching a new venture or expanding your existing business, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's work together to revolutionize the way you deliver services. Get started today and bring your job search website or app idea to life with Brew Labs. Click on the link provided in the description to schedule a free consultation with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have to help you in creating a job search website or app which meets your specific requirements. If you have any questions, then drop us a comment. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.